I visible to you?
Yeah, you are visible to me.
Okay. Hi, my name is Samriddhi, and what about you?
My name is Srujita.
Srujita, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Nice to meet you, Srujita.
nice to meet you too. And you are looking so cute.
Oh, thank you so much. I will take it as a compliment. Thank you so much. Even you are looking so positive and great. That
Thank
smile
you.
of yours is really beautiful.
How
I
do you
want you to
know?
just keep smiling throughout the session, okay?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Okay. So, Srujita, before we begin, I would like to ask you that would you like to talk about the topic of the day, that is travel, or would you like to have a general conversation? What do you prefer?
General conversation.
Okay, so let's have a general conversation. First of all, introduce yourself. Tell me something about yourself. Okay? Yes.
Yeah, okay, sure. And my name is Srujita. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and I had
Okay.
completed my graduation in stream of computer science engineering. My
Okay.
hobbies are dancing, cooking, gardening, and singing
Okay.
also sometimes.
Okay.
And yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's great. So you said that you love dancing and cooking, right? So tell me
Yes.
about that one dish that you cook really well.
Uh, I'm vegetarian girl. I really good at prepare sambar rice. Do you know sambar rice?
Yes, 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 yes. I also like sambar and I usually eat dosa with that.
Wow,
Yes,
my
and that
favorite.
coconut chutney is really great. I like that
My
also.
favorite chutney, coconut chutney is
Okay,
my favorite.
okay, that's a great thing. That's a great thing. So even I am also vegetarian.
Oh, nice to meet you. And where
Okay,
you from?
I'm from Punjab,
Punjab.
Amritsar,
Okay.
Punjab. Yes. Okay,
Um,
Srujita, tell me something about Andhra Pradesh and which city you
yeah,
belong to.
I belongs to Ongole, and Andhra
Okay.
Pradesh is a beautiful state, and most of famous cities in this state. And Tirupati, Vizag, and
Yes, yes, yes. Tirupati temple
many.
is really famous. I would
Yeah,
like to visit it someday.
okay. Did you never visit?
No, I have never got a chance to visit there. But I pray to
I,
God that I should get a chance to visit there someday. Okay, other places?
Vizag,
Okay,
Vijay. Yeah, many famous cities also there. Some cities are in developing states.
okay, okay.
Uh,
Srujita, do you like to read books?
no, no.
Okay,
When I feel bored, I would like to write diary. Um,
okay, you write a diary. That's good. So, what do
yes.
you like to write in it? Like your daily activities or something else?
No, not at all daily activities. When something happened in daily day life or someday, I will share with my diary only because
Okay,
sharing persons is not good at in these days because
yes.
I don't like to share my all thoughts with people. Just I want to share with my favorite book, and I'm
Okay,
writing diary since 2012, I think. 2012.
okay. Okay, okay, okay. So that is also a good thing. I like the way you said that in this current scenario, we can't trust everyone. So it is a good
Yes.
thing that you like to write your thoughts in your diary. So I guess that diary is like your best friend, right?
Yes. I have
Okay,
five diaries, and
okay,
many memories are there. I wrote many memories in my childhood days from school life to BTech life, and still now I'm YouTuber,
okay.
and I do many videos on my channel.
That's
So
great. That's great. You
yes.
are a YouTuber as well. So what kind of videos do you post?
Uh, Mostly I post travel videos and English
Okay,
conversation videos or
okay,
some
okay.
stories. I like my voice very much, and I posted my I posted some stories in my native language.
Okay. So that's a great thing. I think you're very talented. Nice to meet you. Really nice to meet you. Okay, so do you watch films or movies?
Yeah, some sorry, I don't know how to say.
No
Um,
problem, just relax. Yes,
um,
tell me.
Sometimes I don't like to watch movies because sometimes I feel very emotional with movie scenes. So
Okay,
rarely I prefer to watch only Telugu movies.
okay,
So yeah, past few years back, I ignored to watch all movies because
okay,
whenever I saw movies, I felt very emotional with that scenes. I don't want that emotion. So
okay. So
recently
you are
again,
sensitive and
yeah,
emotional.
sometimes,
Okay, sometimes. Okay.
yeah.
So
Now,
it is a general question I want to ask that in this current scenario, what do you think that why should a person has to have good communication skills? Why should a person have good communication skills?
yeah, in India, many languages, many cultures are there. So
Yes,
every city, every state have some different culture and different languages. Marathi,
yes,
Urdu, Hindi, like so.
yes,
Wherever we can easily communicate with different type of people only in English language. So
yes, very
universal
rightly said. Yes,
universal language. So when we go foreign countries, definitely we will learn English or some foreign language like Spanish or Europe. I think I don't know French. Sorry, French. So like that, we can easily communicate with only English. And nowadays, everyone must should learn English language because companies are preferring the students only who are good at
yes,
communication. So
right,
that's
right, right. Yes, so that is a good thing. So, Srujita, do you like to travel? Do you like to visit
yeah,
places?
yeah. I
Okay,
love traveling,
okay,
and
even
yeah,
I love traveling. So, which
wow.
places have you visited so far?
So for past few years back, I visited Maharashtra and Mumbai
Okay,
and Mumbai, Hyderabad. Recently,
okay,
I saw most of famous places in Hyderabad. I all covered that city and
okay.
yeah, Kerala is
So,
my favorite place. In future, definitely I will try to visit Kerala.
okay, Kerala, that's a nice thing. So, what do you like the most about Kerala?
Nature. I'm nature lover, so greenery. We can see much greenery in Kerala, and we can feel just new environment in Kerala.
Yes. The beautiful views and the greenery. I also like that very much. Okay, Srujita, just tell me, what do you think are the benefits of traveling? Why should one travel? The
Travel.
advantages.
Yeah,
Yes,
everyone have some different ideas about traveling. Um,
yes,
they can travel only for fun way or their passion or their
yes,
hope.
yes,
Um, Traveling makes us a very new person because we can meet different people with different cultures, and we can
yes,
taste
right.
different types of food in
Yes,
India,
yes,
South India and North Indians. So we can eat all types of dishes.
yes, very rightly said. Even I like to explore different places and going to different places, meeting different people. Okay, so Srujita, tell me something about your family. Who is there in your family?
My family is beautiful family, and they are always supported me in every decision. And yeah, they never compare with others, because that is my favorite point. Still my childhood, they never compare with others. This point is very important to all families,
Yes,
because
right.
comparison is a worst habit in my view.
Yes, right, right. I also think that we should never compare ourselves with others. Every person has their own unique qualities, habits and everything. So we should never compare. Okay.
Yes.
So, Srujita, what are your dreams or goals? What are the things that you want to achieve in your life?
I have many goals. I would like to share two goals in this session. And
Yes, sure.
travel. I like traveling. I want to see all over the world, all over the countries. So
Oh,
I don't
that's
know if
great.
it's possible or not, but I will try in my future. If I get more money, if I more rich girl, definitely I will try.
I wish you
And I
all the
love,
best for that.
thank you so much.
Yes.
And
And your second goal?
I love social services and social activists. So
Okay.
always I would like to help need people. Uh, Now I'm not doing any job, but still I'm helping need people with my pocket money. So
Oh,
yeah, in
that's a
future
great.
definitely I would help. I mean, sorry, I will help to lot of need people.
That's a very good thing. That's a very good thing. I think you have a great thought process. Okay, Srujita, I would like to ask you that in our country, there are many places, backward areas, villages also, where the importance of education is not known to people. They are not aware. So
Yes.
usually they don't give importance to education and they think that it's okay. But what are your views that why should everyone get educated? What is the significance of education according to you?
Yeah, education is very important in these days, not only for good life, but
Yes.
everyone should learn some ethics and should learn some new things.
Yes,
So
right.
in these days, everyone are working, every parent are working. So I
Yes.
think um, very easy to study.
Yes.
Education gives us a lot of knowledge and a lot of different kind of experience, because
Yes.
when we go to school we can meet different type of students, and we can learn anything from students or lecturers or classes. So
Yes, right.
and yeah, not only for job purpose, first main thing is we can learn, no, you can gain good knowledge.
Yes, very rightly said. Very rightly said. Okay, Srujita. So I would like to ask you that we have one person in life whom we admire the most, like role model, like whom we want to become. So who is your role model in life?
Yeah, I don't have any any role models in my life. So I wish I am the role model, because whenever I feel sad, I will motivate myself. Whenever I feel happiness, most happiness, I will share
Yes.
with my soul. So I
Yes.
I I I think I am the role model to my life. Self role
Wow,
model is
that's great.
role model, I think.
That's a great thing. Valuing yourself, self-love is the most important thing in life. If we know how to
Yes,
motivate ourselves, we can achieve anything in our lives. Am I
yes,
right?
yes, yes. You are right.
Okay, Srujita. Now tell me that what is the definition of success according to you? As in, for some people, success is like getting name and fame, getting rich. For some people, it is getting respect. Some people they want that we should become more famous, known to more people. So that is success for them. So, what do you think? What are your views about being successful?
Being successful means which work we would like to do. So we are doing some work, it gives happiness to you, then you are successful. Money is secondary.
Yes. Yes.
money is important to live life, but not. I mean, happiness is more important because
Yes, right.
have lot of money with our work, we can't feel that happiness in that work. That is not successful, that is not worthy also. So when
Yes,
we
yes, right.
feel very happy with our work, uh, it is successful.
Yes, yes. I also think that when we feel happy about what we do, that is the real success. When we
Yes,
are happy by doing whatever we are doing. Okay,
yes,
so 15 minutes are already over, Srujita. So do you want me to give you the feedback or tell you the
yes,
mistake?
yes. Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
okay. Srujita, I think that you are confident, you have good knowledge as well, but you need to work on your pronunciation. Like it's people, okay? Not
Okay,
pupil, people, okay?
okay, okay.
That is one thing. And another thing is that I know that with practice, you can become more fluent. Okay, just keep on practicing. The rest is good. Work on your pronunciation. And I think that you are a confident and a happy and positive girl. I enjoyed, conversing with you. And thank you so much for taking this session.
Thank you
Hope
so much,
we'll
Rajendra.
meet
Yeah, I'm
again.
also because asking you are asking different questions. So yeah, I really enjoy this conversation.
Thank you so much, Sujita. Thank you so much. Hope we'll meet again. All
Yeah,
the
sure.
best for your future. Okay, thank
Thank
you so much. Okay,
you. Bye.
bye. Bye.